In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can download and install the Dragon Blocks mod for Minecraft step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. First up, if you're in Minecraft, go ahead and exit it completely. It's not going to work if you're in Minecraft right now, and go ahead and open up a browser of your choice. I'm going to use Chrome for this example. Go ahead and search for Minecraft Dragon Block C mod and go ahead and hit enter and look for this CurseForge one up at the very top. Scroll down on the page to learn even more about the mod. It has so many awesome features, so I definitely recommend checking out the main page. But when you're ready to download, go ahead and go to the Files tab and download the latest version for Minecraft, which is going to be Minecraft 1.7.10 Forge. To do this, click the three dots next to the file and hit download. Wait for this countdown to go ahead and count down right here, and then it should auto start downloading right up here. Something like this should appear. Now you're going to need to download the required dependencies in order to do this. These dependencies are going to be mentioned in the mod's description right over here. As you can see, it's JRM Core and JBRA Client. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up in separate tabs, just like so. And once you get on each of them, go ahead and go to Files and then go to the same version for the one that we just downloaded, Minecraft 1.7.0, hit the three dots and hit Download File. It's going to be the same process for both of them. As you can see, I'm doing this next one right here. It takes a little bit of time, and now we're good to go. Now we just need to get Minecraft Forge to run these files. So go ahead and search for Minecraft Forge 1.7.0. So go ahead and search for Minecraft Forge 1.7.1 and go to the official Forge website, which should be this first one all the way up at the top. It's going to look something like this for you. And just scroll just to make sure that you're on Minecraft 1.7.1 right here and find the installer and click on it just like so. Just a heads up, once again, you're going to see ads on this page. Just wait for this countdown up in the very top to count down and then hit skip right here and it's going to download immediately. Once you have all of those done, go ahead and go to the downloads folder right here and it should look something like this for you. If these icons aren't the exact same, you probably don't have Java. To get Java, simply just search up Java download and download that as well. And then this icon should appear. But you're going to want to find that Forge installer and actually just double click it just like so. And it's going to open up like this. Hit OK to install that client. And it's going to take a second just like so. Once it finishes though, go ahead and navigate to the Minecraft launcher again and open it up. And it might take a second to load, but once it does load, you should see that you have a Minecraft Forge version right here of 1.7.10. Navigate up to the installations tab just up here and then find that Forge version. You might have multiple ones, so just a heads up on that. Look for this folder thing and open it up. Go ahead and find the mods folder. If you don't have it, just right click and create one. But open that up just like so. And if there's any mods in here, you are going to need to go ahead and delete them. So just keep that in mind. The reason you got to do that is because this one loads on 1.7.10 and the other ones are probably on a different version of Minecraft, and that's going to cause conflicts. Now just go ahead and drag the Dragon Block C mod in here, then the JRM Core mod in here, and then finally the JBRA client in here as well. Then you can close these, return to the Minecraft launcher, once again ensure that it's on the right Forge version and hit play. It might pop up with something like this. Go ahead and check that box and then hit play one more time and it's going to load you in. Once Minecraft launches for you, go ahead and navigate to the mod section right here and you should see everything loaded in here. Look for the one specifically that does say Dragon Block C, just to ensure that you got it. Now go ahead and hit done, go to single player or multiplayer, depending on if your friends has it too. Create a new world. I'm going to put it in creative real quick and get loaded in. But yeah, it's as easy as that. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a good day.